Hi everyone, my name is Emilie Smith. I study part-time with the OU. I'm doing S215 at the moment. I've also been on the eSTEeM student reference panel for over a year now. And I want to talk to you about student engagement in scholarship. So one of the things that I'm quite passionate about is the student experience. And I believe that improving the student experience by including and involving learners in the development of materials can be a really valuable way of making the OU experience richer for students. So one of the things that I think's really good way of involving students is just asking their opinion about what did you think about this type of activity, that sort of thing. There's been some very interesting previous scholarship projects which you can read about and just get some ideas from ways that you can involve students in those sorts of research projects, because it can be quite satisfying to kind of research a piece of learning and realize that actually this method of delivering this might be better in another way because of the type of students that we have, and also because of the type of experience people have found with previous activities. So even a light touch approach of involving students can be very valuable. I also think that sometimes it's forgotten the sheer diversity of the student body with the OU. So just the different opinions, the learning styles and experiences that students with the OU have, and how enriching it can be to involve those people within those types of scholarship projects can be very rewarding. So I really recommend that it's something you look into, even if it's as a light touch approach to get students involved. Thanks very much.